In this video I'm going to show you how to turn any image or texture into a clean, professional gradient you can use in text, logos, shapes, and product designs. It's fast, it's accurate, and it gives you colors you just can't get with the default tools. Let's kick things off with the gold gradient. I grabbed 2 reference images straight from Google. We'll use them to pull the exact color transitions we need for a realistic metallic look. Start with drawing a square. Now select the color eyedropper tool and sample a shade from the left side of the image to start building our gradient. Fill the square. You'll notice the color instantly appears here in the document palette. Repeat the process by sampling different colors across the image from left to right. Hold Shift while sampling the color, then release it to drop that color into the square. Once you've sampled all the colors, draw a larger square. Choose the interactive fill tool. Click and drag from left to right to fill with gradient. Now start dragging the sampled colors from the document palette and drop them into the gradient one by one. Drag the square over the image and scale it so its width matches the image width. Remove outline color. Select the interactive fill tool and start adjusting the color node so they line up with the colors in the image. Here we need to add a darker tone, so add 1. Click the node to change its color, choose the eyedropper, and sample the matching shade directly from the image. Repeat the process until you get the exact gradient. Move the square down. Now to save the gradient, select the square. Select Interactive Fill tool again, click Fill Picker here. Press the plus here. In title box type any name. You can choose the category then click Save. Our first gradient is done. Now, I'm going to speed through the same steps for a few more gradient images, so you can see the process in action without slowing down. Now, to apply your gradient, select the shape, double-click on the fill. Choose a fountain fill. Click the fill picker. Select your gradient, and hit OK. And just like that, you've turned any image into a clean, professional-looking gradient.